Hello everyone, I am doing example 3 from NCERT. You will find on page number 410. So this is the question based on conditional probability. 10 cards number 1 to 10 are placed in a box. So let me write down the cards. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. These are the cards. So they are mixed up thoroughly. Then one card is drawn randomly. So we are taking out just one card. Okay. Then it is known that the number drawn is more than 3. So this is the condition, more than 3. So what is the probability of having even number? So we want probability having even number, and what is the condition? Number is more than 3, not even equal to 3. Okay. So for conditional probability, the logical formula is this. For conditional probability, number of favorable cases divided by number of cases after applying condition. Okay, so after applying condition, number more than 3. So more than 3 is this. These are the favorable conditions after applying condition. So how many cases are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 cases are there after applying condition. So I am using this formula. Okay, so total number of cases after applying condition is how much? More than 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Correct. So this is 7 denominator. Then we need number of cases which is favorable for finding probability. Favorable means even numbers. So out of these possibilities, which are even may be 4, 6, 8 or 10. So how many are favorable? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 are favorable. So this is my answer. So this is the logical way of solving conditional probability, and this is absolutely correct method of solving in case you don't want to use formula. Okay. Okay. Next example. Example 4 says, this is from NCERT. In a school there are 1000 students. Okay, great. There are 1000 students. 430 are girls. Here 430 are girls, and out of 430, 10% girls are in grade 12th. What is the probability that student is randomly selected, is in class 12th? Okay, given matlab this is the condition, that given that the student should be girl. So this is the condition given matlab condition is given. So they are asking what is the probability that the child is in class 12th, and what is the condition that it is a girl student. Yes or no? This is the condition. Condition is written here. So this is the condition. Correct. So for that we need to use this logical formula. I will use this logical formula. Number of favorable cases divided by total number of cases after applying condition. After applying condition means only girls. Okay. So let me make a flow chart. Okay. So total how many students there? Total 1000 students. Out of that, how many girls are there? And some are boys. So let me write down. Girls are 430. So how many boys will be there? 1000 minus 430. These many boys. Correct. Out of these girls, 10% are in class 12th. That is what they are saying. And remaining in other classes. Remaining in other classes. तो class 12th में कौन है? 10%. ठीक है. तो let me write down 10% of 430. Correct. So how many girls? 1 0 cancel. This 0 cancel. So how many girls are in class 12th? Is 43. So total 43 girls are in class 12th, and other classes will be then how much? 430 minus 43. So these many girls will be in. So number of girls which are in other classes, not in class 12th, not in class 12th, in other classes are 387. Correct. So this is the flow chart which is given. Now we will apply the formula. The formula says favorable what is the favorable cases, right? Let me write down favorable cases by total after condition. This you have to be very careful. After condition, तो after condition है कि only girls, the condition is girls, they should be girls, and probability of girls starting in class 12, so only girls. So out of 1000 you will take only girls, which are, how many girls are there? Let me write down. So here I am writing is 430 girls. And what are the favorable cases to find the probability that girls which are in class 12th, that is only 43, है ना? We already found it to 43. So this will cancel 1 by 10. So probability will be 0.1. So this is the answer, conditional probability. ठीक है? One more question we will do. Example 5. They are saying one die is thrown 3 times. So you have first event is 4 on third throw. Second event is 6 on first and 5 on second throw. So let's just see, if die is thrown thrice, total how many cases are there? So you write down, when you have a die, so you can throw once, or you can throw twice, or you can throw thrice. So total cases are how many? You have to remember it. If you throw it once, only 6 cases are there, correct? If you throw twice, 6 square, which is 36 cases. Thrice means 6 cubed, which is 216. So this you have to memorize. Okay. So here we will take 3 times. So total possibilities are 216. So total cases are 216. So far it's okay. Now they want probability of A given that B has occurred. Yani probability of A means 4 on third throw. What is the condition? Condition है 6 on first throw, correct, and 5 on second throw. So this is the probability. So what is the formula is total favorable cases divided by total after condition. After condition means you don't have to take all 216 cases. We don't need to take 216. We need to take cases after applying condition. And what is the condition? 6 on first throw, 5 on second throw. That's it. Only those cases we have to take, right? Otherwise there are 216. So total after, लिखिए, total after condition are how many? Let me write. Total after condition 6, 5 maybe 1, है ना? 6, 5 maybe 2, third, because first and second में it is fixed 6 and 5. Then 6, 5 maybe 3, 6, 5 4, 6, 5 5, or 6, 5 6. Correct. These are the total possibilities after applying conditions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total how many cases? 6 cases. Yes, because this is the condition. 6 on first row, which we are applying here, 6 and 5. 6, 5, 6, 5, 6, 5. Third row mein anything is possible. So total cases are 6 after condition. Which one is favorable? We need to find favorable. Favorable है 4 on the third throw. So 4 on the third throw, I think is this only this one is favorable. Perfect. So how many cases are favorable? Let me write down. This is only favorable, so which is 1. So this is my probability. Understood? So this is how we can solve problems if the condition is given. If you are not comfortable with the standard formula, this is the very easy way to solve questions. Then one more problem from NCERT itself. Example 6. You will find on page number 411, the new NCERT. So die is thrown twice. देखिए, you are throwing it twice. The sum of number appearing is observed to be 6. What is the conditional probability that the number 4 appeared at least once. You pause it and try to solve. So I think you have tried so far. So let's see. If number is thrown twice, तो total cases कितने होंगे? Total means without condition only. You know, we have not applied condition so far. So total will be 2 square. I'm sorry, 6 square, which is 36 cases. Okay, let me write quickly all 36 cases for your understanding. So it may be 1 1 1 2 1 3 1 4 1 5 6. So in any problem, at least for 36 cases, you should make all the cases. It takes hardly 30 seconds. Okay. So they are saying what is the probability? What you have to find probability that number 4 appeared at least. The probability number 4 at least once. And what is the condition given? The sum of the numbers appearing is observed to be 2, to be 6. The sum is 6. So what are all the cases where you are able to see the sum is 6? This is after the cases after applying condition. This is the condition, correct? They are saying it is seen that it is observed that the sum is 6. So what is the probability that the number 4 appeared at least once? At least once means at least one or twice is accepted. Not less than 4 is accepted. So if you apply the condition that sum is 6, how many cases are there? So let me see. Sum is 6 will be 2 4, then 4 2, it may be 3 3. What else? It may be 5 1 or 1 5. So these are the only cases after condition, correct? So we need a formula. Formula is favorable by total cases after condition. After condition. Otherwise, total cases are 36. We can't take all 36. We need to take after condition. After condition 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are. I'm sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 are there. Only 5. Out of that, which one is favorable? Let me write down. Favorable are only where at least 4 is there. At least 4 is there means this one. Let me write this one and this one. Okay? तो टोटल कितने हैं? 2 cases which are favorable. तो probability कितनी होगी? 2 by 5, right? This is favorable cases and this is cases after condition. So this is my answer. See you next video. Bye everyone.